Good morning, welcome to vlogcember 2020. Thank you for coming by today. Today's episode or video is gonna be a short one because I want to show you my Allure. This thing covers it up, but it's my Allure Beauty Box for the month of December. This subscription used to be like $15 a month, but they switched it up and I think now it's either $21 or $23. I think it's $21. The retail value is supposed to go up, so let's see if it's so. Last month's boxes was really good. Every month is really good. I really like this box, the subscription box, and I don't think this month is any different. So let's open up. I do have a fresh face because before I do anything, I did wash my face, but I want to try the You Glow recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Ultimate Glow and Brightening. I got this yesterday and I want to try it. It claims that you could achieve a magical, undeniable glow with this versatile instant skincare highlighter that illuminates skin under or over makeup. Inspired by Korean makeup artists' go-to glowing tricks, this lightweight This lightweight gel helps you achieve an ultra-effective complexion immediately and over time with antioxidant-rich watermelon, brightening niacinamide, and hydrating hyaluronic acid, all without mica, glitter, or pearls. Niacinamide brightens uneven tone and dullness and minimizes the appearance of pores to make skin truly glow. So those three things: niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidant-rich watermelon. So all good. How to use it for maximum glow: it says on a no makeup day, apply 1 or 2 pumps as a last step of the entire routine. When wearing makeup, evenly distribute formula on fingertips and gently pat on the high points of the face in a tapping motion on top of makeup. For a glossy eye look, dab a pea-sized amount to the center of the eyelid and blend out. And how to use for natural glow: that's what I'm going to probably use today. No, I'm going to use it in a maximum glow because I'm not going to wear any makeup. It says as a natural glow, as a priming step, apply 1 or 2 pumps as the last step in your skincare routine before makeup. Mix 1 or 2 pumps with foundation for a glowy finish. Can also be used as a brightening serum step. Apply 1 pump before moisturizer to get long-lasting glowing results. It's vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens, mineral oils, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, drying alcohol, synthetic dyes. And this will give you the list of ingredients, and it's 12 months shelf life. Hopefully it smells like watermelon. I love watermelon. And I love their packaging. It's always so cute. This is how it looks inside. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. It's like a watermelon inside. This is what it looks like. Ta-da! In the packaging. They took this out and it's a big, huge watermelon. I love their packaging. It's so cute. So let's try this out. I don't have any moisturizer on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the gel moisturizer to put it on top just a little bit from Colourpop. So it says it's 1 to 2 pumps. Oh yeah, it reminds me of the watermelon sleeping mask, which I have here. Now I'll leave this for nighttime. I have a little bit left and I want to get to the bottom, but the consistency is very similar. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. It smells so good. It's not very potent. It's not very high. It's the fragrance, but not the fragrance. It's like watermelon. Yeah, all you need is 2 pumps more, and then it's very. You don't need more than that. Right here, my nose, where I have all my pores. Oh, I have pores everywhere, but you know what I mean. Where I have my enlarged pores. Okay, yeah, there is some glow, but I'm gonna give it some time because it's still drying. I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm gonna open up my Allure box. Now I already opened the seal. I haven't looked inside. Like, I don't know what's inside, but here you go. It always comes with a card. So this box, it has samples and sometimes it has 2, 3 full size. It depends. So let's see this month what it brings. So the first item, let me see. Let me look for it here in the book. I'm gonna try to go in order. Okay, there's a palette. I guess it's a full size, $24 from Cetaphil London. The Trend Edit palette, Cetaphil London. It is made in China. It's 24 months shelf life. So it's plastic. It does bring a mirror. And let me take this off momentarily so you could see it. It is very pretty. I'm not gonna swatch them in case I want to give them away. It has 4 mattes and 5 shimmers, which is really nice. This is nice. I'll put it back in. So that has a full size item. Next item is from, it's a skin product, Mood Masky Leave Me On Winter Mask. The retail value is $45.85. I don't know if this is a full size, because it is 1.35 full an ounce, so maybe it is a full size. That's expensive, because in the picture it says it's 40 milliliters, 1.35, the same thing. It's protecting, nourishing, ultra repairing, nourishing, and anti-aging. And it says that it's the first step to a softer skin in the winter. It moisturizes, nourishes, and protects your face in cold winters. Work perfect against dryness and flaky skin due to the cold. Used and recommended by thousands of doctors worldwide. So you wash your hands and face, you apply a thin layer to your face, leave the face mask on during the day, and cold weather, use daily. Oh, pretty good ingredients. Very nice. I'll try this another day because I already applied something. The next thing is from Caudalie. This is a sample size because the picture is different. This is a serum, a Caudalie Venusaur's SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. Retail value of the original size, of the full size, $49. This is a for dehydrated skin. Apply morning and evening to face and neck before your moisturizer. I like these sample sizes. It's 9 months shelf life. I like the sample sizes, so like if you have to travel, you just put it in your in your makeup bag or your handbag, and you don't have to take a whole bottle, especially if it's just like a weekend trip, because this is pretty good like for the weekend, for like a few days, because it's a trial size, it's a sample size. Next item is a makeup. This is the By Me and My Beauty brand black liquid eyeliner. It's made in China, 6 months shelf life. Probably use this as a giveaway because I'm not very good with liquid eyeliners. I do have a few already. It looks like a very nice applicator, nice tip. I have one from Tom Ford that I haven't used it, so I'm gonna give this away for somebody else because it's only 6 months shelf life, and I won't be able to use it, to be honest. So I'd rather just give it away to somebody that will, for very near soon, a soon giveaway that I want to give to you guys. Alright, next is from La Roche-Posay. We've seen this brand a few times already in our boxes. This is a sample size, obviously, because the original size is much bigger, and it's $39 retail value. This is a retinol B3 serum. Ooh, that's nice. I like retinol, especially like for those little lines and those areas where, you know, they start drooping after you turn a certain age. It says apply in the evening on face and neck. Avoid eye area. Nickel controlled. It's developed for people who are sensitive to nickel. Pure retinol can react on contact with the air, causing it to turn yellow, but it's still effective. This product may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product. Do not use in association with other products containing retinol. If discomfort appears during first usage, space out applications to allow skin to adjust to the product. Avoid direct contact with eyes and lips. Ooh, it has niacinamide, has a bunch of stuff. It rides, it's French. Reads, eridules, dommage, chaleur, prématuré. Where's the English part? I mean, I could translate it, but it says that it helps with the sun damage, premature sun damage. Oh, the English part is under. Lines and wrinkles, premature sun damage. Yeah, it was really good. That was close. Anti-wrinkle, concentrate, renewing, resurfacing. This is really nice. Can I use this at night? Yeah, apply in the evening on face and neck. Yeah, apply this before bed. I wouldn't go before the sun. I'll wear my sunblock anyway, sunscreen, but. And there's one more thing. Actually, there's two more things. Oh, this is nice. From Cetaphil, deep hydration. This is like extra. It doesn't give me a retail value, but this is a sample size. Cetaphil is a pretty affordable brand. You could buy it in the drugstore, in a pharmacy. It nourishes to deeply replenish skin hydration for 40 hours. Again, something good to just put in your travel bag. And actually, that's something that I do when I go on vacation. Even when I went on my honeymoon or a week vacation, I take sample sizes most of the part. If it's something that I cannot find a sample size, then I'll take the full size. But I take sample sizes. I don't like to carry a lot of stuff. And finally, I don't see this in the book unless I missed it. Yeah, it's not in the book. Something extra. It's a beauty loot, it says. I don't know what this is. It comes in a little black bag. Thank you. We hope you enjoy your special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. Thank you very much. I don't know if this is something, because I do have the annual subscription. I don't know if this is something for all the annual subscriptions or for everybody. I don't know. You tell me if you have this box. Please let me know in the comments below if you got this as well. This is from Allure Amore Pacific or Amore Pacific Time Response Eye Reserve Cream. This is fast absorbing ultra nourishing eye cream, delivers moisture to the delicate eye area to even texture and create a youthful appearance. Contains Amore Pacific's exclusive Chrono Tea, green tea water that helps to improve the look of skin elasticity and moisture while preventing future signs of aging. It's made in South Korea because I know Amore Pacific is a Korean brand, I believe. Oh, okay. It's cute. It's a little container. Oh, this is like, oh, I have it upside down. This is interesting. It has like a little mirror too. Fresh scent, and it does have like a little thick consistency, which I like for under my eyes. Oh, I like it. It reminds me of my It Cosmetics. I have like a little It Cosmetics next to my neck stand. It's a sample size, but it's like this, and I apply it on the eyes at night. This is really nice. I'm gonna use this. So yeah, let's see. So this was an extra gift, so let's not count it for now. But we have an eyeliner. We have 2 sample sizes of cream, moisturizing cream. We have a full size Leave-On Winter Mask. We have a sample size of La Roche-Posay Retinol, and we have a Ciate London palette, eyeshadow palette. So if my box cost me $21 or $23, this retail value is $24. This is the cost of my box right here, and everything else is free. That's how I would see it. And then I got this for free, but I'm not sure if this is for annual subscribers or for everybody this month. I'm not sure. You let me know. So yeah, I like this box very much. I always do. I get to try new brands that I wouldn't necessarily go out and buy. I try them through Allure. I have found many products through them, and then I would buy the full size because I like them that much. So yeah, I like this box very, very much. So now I'm gonna finish up applying my moisturizer, and I don't feel like, it's one of those days I don't feel like doing nothing on my face. I don't know if you ever have those days, maybe not, but yeah, it's one of those days for me. Let me see if I have any glow. Oh yeah, there is some glow here around my cheeks. It says if you want extra glow, you just apply again, but I'm not gonna go that far. And then I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, and then after my moisturizer, maybe, you know, I'll apply some powder and some mascara. I'm like halfway with this moisturizer, and I want to hit pan because I have like, I was gonna leave it for tomorrow, but I already received all my La Mer products that I ordered, and I'm so excited to try them out. But I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow when I have more time. Oh, it feels so good. This moisturizer is like so good, and it leaves my skin so soft, so supple. I like this moisturizer very much, actually. Any excess, my hands, my precious hands. There's this mask, this hand mask that I got in a box once that I haven't used it. I'm gonna use it soon because in the winter, in my job, my hands get really dry. I think it's because of the papers and stuff, and I have like a bunch of bottles of cream on top of my desk, and I'm applying 3 or 4 times a day, but I still feel like a little bit of dryness sometimes in the back of my hand. So I am going to, especially in the back of my hand. So what was I saying? I forgot what I was. Oh, so I want to do that hand mask to see if that helps me. But yeah, this is what I want to share with you today. I am expecting a little more packages today, but I will show you tomorrow. So yeah, I got a bunch of La Mer stuff that you will see in tomorrow's vlog, and also in my Instagram. If you don't follow me on my social media, please go ahead. I put the links down below in the description box, so you can follow me there, especially Instagram, because that's where I post swatching and new products and new releases and sales and things like that. I put them on Instagram first, so I recommend you going there and visit me there and follow me there, so you could find out things first. Like I said, I'm just gonna apply some powder, some mascara, maybe some lip gloss, and I'm ready to go to work. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for coming by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already, and clicking on the bell to get notified of future videos so you won't miss any of my videos. The year is almost done. We have a few more vlogs left in vlogcember. I have to do one of these days before the year ends. I had to do 2 vlogs in one day because I'm behind, and I'm so sorry about that. Just this Sunday was a little bit crazy for me, and I wasn't able to do anything, so I'm sorry. I apologize for that, but I will catch up. I want to do 2 vlogs in one day. You just wait for that. And yeah, thank you for coming by once again, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.